Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to shorten all photos length in CapCut on your device. So as we know that CapCut is a free user-friendly video editing app for iOS and Android. It lets you trim, add effects, music, text, stickers and transition to your videos, and it also popular for very social media's content creator, especially for platforms like TikToks, Facebook, etc. So to know how to shorten your all photos length in CapCut, you need to simply watch this video till the very end. First thing, you need to make sure that CapCut is installed on your device, and after that you need to go to your app CapCut. And now this is the very first home page of this app. To shorten your photos, you need to select the options new project, which is highlighted in color blue. You need to tap on new project and go to the options photos, and after that you can select your photos which you want to shorten and which you want to edit. And I would like to edit my these photos, and at the very bottom right here you can see the option add, and you need to click on the option add, and now your photos have been ready to edit, and you can simply delete this last CapCut video. And to shorten your photos, and you need to click every photos individually, like you want to make your photos for 2 seconds or 3 seconds or for anything you want. Now I want to edit my photos, every photos with 2 seconds max, and you need to click on the every photos individually, and you need to select every photos individually. First I want to edit this, and you need to click on these photos, and you can drag from here, and you can make it till 2 seconds, and you need to go to your second photos, and you need again to drag and make it 2 seconds, and again you need to select on your next photos or third photo and make it to 2 seconds. And similarly you need to do same things to all the photos which you want to edit, and this is how I have made every single photos till 2 seconds. So this is how we can edit or we can shorten our photos with our seconds we want. And once you are completed editing every single photos, and you are ready to export these photos on your device, on your gallery, and you can post it wherever you want to. And at the very top right you can see the option export. You need to simply click on that. After that there will be the few seconds of advertisement. So after a few seconds of completing your all advertisement, your video will be ready to export in your device. So this is how you can shorten your photos in CapCut on a device. So hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.